Now, there, I've got that one done. Now, you remember I told you I do the strike plate too. Let's go ahead and take care of that right now. Okay? I'm still going to save this. Do not throw this away. Okay? So, I mean, the old strike plate would still work, but it's old, it's tired, it's got paint on it, it's got a mark on it, and the new one always comes with the new strike plate, and usually it lines and fits up. Now, obviously, if you have a T strike on here, or a different type of strike that this one doesn't match, you might decide to leave the old ones. Okay? And I look on there, and there's a little paddle on the inside of that. And by that I mean this little thing here. See? That's how you're going to adjust the latch when you close the door, and if it chatters, boop, 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 like that, you can bend that out. And this one, I see it's already kind of at a slight angle, so I know I'm going to have to make an adjustment. You might think, hey Joe, how much do you know how to adjust it? Well, it's trial and error, it's feel, and very seldom do I get it adjusted right the very first time. Be careful with that, you know, as you're prying on this, so that you don't get the paint. If it's been painted on there or something, you pull too hard, you may start pulling the paint off, you may chip the wood, whatever. Okay? And so now I'm going to take my new strike, I'm going to take my pliers, and I'm just going to hang on to it like that. I'm going to hold on to this, and I'm going to give it a little bend like that. Okay? You see how that's at an angle now, see? Now, I don't think I made it too far. I'm going to keep it right where it's at. Okay? I'm using the new screws. I could have used the old screws because there was nothing wrong with them. But, hey, anybody wants to check out my work, everything is new that I'm putting back in. And I like to put both screws in. Sometimes I've seen people, they just put one and they try to adjust the door on there. But see, it could swivel on you. So I put it in, just snug it up where it was before. And again, I'm doing it by hand because I don't want to strip this. If I use the drill and then you start twisting the screws and they start spinning in the wood and all that. Okay? So now I'm gonna keep the door. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. I'm gonna see how it latches. See that? That makes that noise. I don't like that. And so I'm gonna go ahead. I know I need to bend that a little bit more. And I used to take a screwdriver and reach in there and try to undo the bottom and the top. But it's way easier and it's better to do it right. The right way is to take this out and to bend it a little bit more with a pair of pliers. And yes, it takes a couple more minutes. You know, everything worthwhile takes a little bit of effort. Okay, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna hold on to this, and I'm gonna bend it just a little more. Boy, that one's coming way out at an angle. I don't want to do it too much. You learning anything yet? Hope you are. And I see it, whoever installed this the first time, they didn't start their screws in just right, because with this one, where it's tight, it's pulled the strike out. That's why I've had to bend it over a little bit. I mean, I'd have to take that out, pre-drill another little hole, move that over, all that, but we're gonna hope that this is gonna hold the door. See, I don't think I want to pull it any further than that. That's pretty good. Okay? Hey, well that's it from Maui. I'll catch you on the next video.